it's me, Kayla from Walkie Talkie, and I am back posting new videos every Tuesday, so make sure to subscribe. This video, I am doing $0 speech therapy. It didn't cost anything. It is your daily routines, things that you're already doing with your toddler. And I'm going to show you how I, with my little nephew, use those very important teachable moments for speech therapy so that the child's learning something new to understand and something new that they could possibly try and say. So check it out with my little 18-month-old nephew. And hey, comment below and let me know what you think and what questions you have. Cheese. Pour water. Pour. Oh. Yo, no, you silly. Scoop. Pour. Pour. Oh, and your face?
Get some more bubbles. You all done? Are you all done?
No.
Okay, you want to be a doggy or a duck?
Dada.
Okay.
I'm gonna be
You gonna be a doggy?
Dada.
What's doggy say?
Dada.
Where's your foot? Get your foot. You see that? Foot. You got it. 2 feet. We're gonna get it right here. Get it right in there. Oh, where is it? I got your foot. We got it. On. Okay, we're gonna put your shirt on. We're gonna put your shirt on. Here we go. Oh. You can put your hand. No, we're gonna do your head first, huh? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Get your head. Look at me. I see you. We're hand. Oh boy, get that hand in there. 1 hand. Get your hand. Oh boy, we're getting up. Whoa. Okay, 2 hands. Here we go. High. 2 hands in. Get this. And the tummy. All done. You did it. In those pants. Right over the diaper. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Get the soap. Go get the soap. Where's the soap? Hi. Good job. Okay, mommy, open. Can you open the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Open the dishwasher. Good, open. Good. Okay, put it in. Good, now close it. Push. Okay, close the door. Good job. Now we turn. Ready? Turn. Yay! It's all done. You did it. Yay! I hope you found that helpful. I hope you found that empowering, that you don't have to buy fancy stuff to make your child learn new things, that it doesn't take all that much more time or energy. There's lots that you can do in your regular daily routine to help your child learn to understand and say new things. So subscribe, comment, and please share so that other parents can find these videos and learn how to help their toddler too. I'm also doing consultations, so if you live in California, then you can schedule a consultation with me and we can talk specifically about what's going on with your child. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I am posting pretty much daily on there too, tips and tricks and stuff that you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.